Welcome. In this part of the training, we are going to discuss about the broker, all about broker. Who is a forex broker? The role of forex broker, types of forex brokers. Who is a forex broker? These are platform providers. They are companies or individuals that provide the platform that allows you to trade the foreign currency. That is, the buy and selling of the currencies is done on the platform the broker provide for you. So they act as middlemen between you, the trader, and the currency market. The role of forex broker: market access. As an individual, you can never access the market, but with the help of the broker, they give you access to the market via the platform that allows you to trade the currency. Now, you cannot buy. The buy and sell of the currency is done on that platform. Yes, the order, as time progresses, you will see the practical example of how to execute trade from the broker's platform. They provide you with leverage. What is leverage? As discussed in the previous videos, these are lent or money lent to you. In fact, they give you the more opportunity to control more market, more money in the market. Yes, they facilitate transactions. They handle every aspect of your currency trading: buying, selling, depositing, and withdrawing. Everything about you are trading as a forex must pass through a broker. Liquidity provider, yes, they ensure that there's enough liquidity so that you can buy and sell. They provide you with the platform. That the platform is where the liquidity takes place. Yes, at any given time, the broker is the one that gives you ability to trade. Yes, as I keep saying, they provide you with a platform, which is the MetaTrader. That is called MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. It is from the platform you can analyze the market and make decision. They have risk management tools. Yes, in the platform you have the stop loss orders, take profit. This helps every trader to manage trade from the platform. Risk management tools. We'll look into it as time goes on. Above all, the broker is very interested in you making more money from the market. So to help you, they provide you with educational resources such as tutorial webinars that helps you improve your trading skill. This is a platform, or this is how the platform looks like, the broker's platform. As you can see, this is the chart, this is the currency pair, this is the chart, this is the terminal, though we'll treat this in detail as time goes on. Types of forex brokers. There are two main types of forex brokers: dealing desk market and non-dealing desk markets. Brokers, please. Dealing desk brokers or market makers, or non-dealing desk brokers. These are the two types of brokers we have. The non-dealing desk brokers are further divided into two categories: STP, that is straight through processing, and ECN, electronic communication network brokers. Please take note of this, because this is where the difference is made in trading. Let's talk of the dealing desk market makers. What are these type of brokers? These are very big brokers. They create their own markets, set their prices on the currency pair. They are authority to a large extent. That's why they are called market makers. They dictate the price by themselves. They dictate their spread. They own the market. Then, how do they make money? They profit from the spread and sometimes take position against you. Yes, because they dictate the trade, the spread, the prices, so they can create the much difference they want between the buy and the sell price. Then they take decision. Sometimes, if you are making money from these brokers, if you are making money from their platform, they can decide to manipulate the market against you. That is the most dangerous part of this type of brokers. If you buy, they sell. If they sell, or if you sell, they buy. So they can manipulate the market. These are called dealing desks, or they are market makers, as the name implies. The pro is that they have fixed spread. Now, what we mean by fixed spread is the difference between the buy and sell price. They keep it constant because they have calculated enough they can make from it. They are very easy to use. They make it easy for you as a beginner. That's one of the factors they attract beginners, but they don't tell you the wicked part of them, which is uh, the ability to trade against you or to take decisions against you. That is the disadvantage of using these brokers. Let's go to non-dealing desk brokers. These are the best brokers. Yes, they don't create their own market. Instead, they connect you directly to other market participants, such as bank, financial institution, and other traders. So they are the real middlemen between you and the market itself. Now let's go to the straight-through processing brokers. These brokers send your trades directly to the liquidity providers without dealing desk. They act as intermediaries. So you, them, and the market or the liquidity provider directly. They don't have say, they don't have control. All they do is they just give you a channel to the liquidity. Yes. In that case, they offer variable spreads and execute trades quickly by routing them to different liquidity providers. Yes. Remember, they don't make the spread. So the spread varies here. And because they make money by allowing you to trade, so you can execute trade as quick as possible, unlike the dealing desk, where if they trade, they see that you make money, they can delay your trade from clicking. But these people are very interested in seeing you make executing trade so that they can make money. That is the straight through processing. That's why their name is called straight through processing. Now, the pros: no conflict in interest, faster execution than market makers. Exactly. Cons: variable spread, because they can link you to various liquidities providers which have different spreads. So their own spread also are variable, varies in the market. The ECN, electronic communication network brokers. What do? These brokers connect you directly to the global forex market. All participants, banks, big boys, trade directly with each other. This is the best broker, ECN broker. They provide real-time market prices and charge a commission for trade. Do you see how they make their own money? They charge commission per trade. Their market values are real-time market values. The pros: tight spread during normal market conditions, high transparency, can see real market price. Cons: commission fees on each trade. Yes, on each trade you do, they charge commission. That is how they make their own money. They require higher starting capitals than other types of brokers. But still, as I said, take note of a broker that you use, whether if it is ECN, non-dealing or dealing desk. How to choose a broker as a beginner. This is the gist. How to choose a broker as a beginner. There are 5 factors to consider when choosing a broker: regulation inquiry, review report, customer service, speed of transaction, recommended broker. Regulation inquiry. Now, every let's go back to it. Every broker, every broker has someone that we have regulatory bodies in the world. So what you do is ask your broker or the intended broker who regulates you, and they will give you the name and they link to the website of the regulator. Ask them their regulatory code. They will still give you the code. That means you have to chat them up. Now, you use the code given to you, go to the regulatory website they said regulates them, search the code. If it is there, you will see it clear. That is the first way to determine your broker. The second thing is review report. Go online, go to Trustpilot, search that broker name plus review. Read extensively to know people's experience from that broker. It will help you make your decision. Now, customer service, how efficient are they? So the first thing you do is go to their customer service, the broker you want to use, chat them up, see how fast they can respond. Anything less than 3 hours or more than 3 hours is not advisable. So the customer service is supposed to reply you within 0 to 3 hours, solve your problem. So you have to do that to see how fast are they. Now, speed of transaction. When you deposit money with this broker, how fast does it reflect in your on your chart? How fast do you see the money on your chart? When you place a withdrawal, how fast does it reflect in your bank account? These things does not take more than 10 minutes. Speed of transaction, once it's more than 10 minutes, then there is problem with that broker. Recommended broker. Which broker do I recommend for you now? The only broker I can recommend is CFI. For now, I've been using XNES. They are wonderful brokers. But the latest discovery I've done has proven that CFI has more feature and more loving to beginners in particular. So you can use CFI. In fact, my recommended broker is CFI. Is CFI. So with this, we have come to the end of this particular um, video of who is your broker or who is a broker. Remember, a broker can make you rich or broke sooner than you can imagine. So always be careful whom you hand over your hard-earned money to. Remember, as I said, broker is the only person you can give your money to help you trade from the global market. So once you get it wrong, some broker manipulates it, as you've seen. Some broker make you poor. They will trade against you to make sure you lose your money. So broker is the main feature or is a power you have to look into when deciding to trade forex as a beginner. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.